Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So looking at GBPJPY and GBPUSD, both of these instruments currently showing significant trading opportunity. Before we discuss how we can trade those instruments on the lower time frame, let's quickly look at higher time frame starting with the monthly chart on British Pound US dollar. We can see that from the monthly, as expected, GBPUSD started to bounce to the upside from this monthly inverted head and shoulder. Now this current monthly candle started from this significant support, and we can see currently the price above this neckline of this inverted head and shoulder. And as previous monthly candle has a long wick at the top, we see, as expected, there is a weak fill. And as the market started to break out from this long consolidation, we have seen quite a few months of consolidation, a complete breakout. We can expect now a trend continuation on British Pound US dollar to this resistance level where there is a high liquidity. If we drop down to the weekly chart to see how the market is doing, we can see that from the weekly GBPUSD had a gap open here, and that gap open in fact a potential continuation pattern. And as you can see, this trend on weekly on GBPUSD is very strongly bullish, and also predictably we can see creating series of higher high and higher low. So we can expect now GBPUSD from the weekly as well to keep pushing high, as this is the last day of trading week, and we can see the whole week this instrument was bullish, and what is going up is likely to go up. So you could see that GBPUSD is still moving back to the resistance level. Now dropping down to the daily chart, we can see that on GBPUSD also there is an inverted head and shoulder on the daily, a complete breakout, quite a few days, a full bullish momentum. And today's candle, we can see from this day doji, there is a complete bounce. I will be waiting for deeper pullback as there is a news coming later today. We could see GBPUSD dropping down for a deeper pullback. We could see a couple of scenarios. If GBPUSD managed to break below the previous doji's low, which we could see, that could be an important zone that we might look for a long-term buying opportunity. Otherwise, if any drop in that zone on the lower time frame, that you will see where is the best place to enter. And if you can see, this is the daily support level on British Pound US dollar, and with this daily support, this is a move here, expecting for the market to drop again. And this is the daily previous daily doji's low. If GBPUSD managed to drop back below this level, which we could see eventually with the news, we'll be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. If GBPUSD is not coming back to the daily low, previous daily low, along the way, if we see very strong liquidity grab, liquidity candle, then we will be looking to enter in the trend continuation from any of this price action confirmation. Now let's look at GBPJPY. Like the GBPUSD, we see the GBPJPY also long-term bull market. This is the monthly candle, and so far we can see that after break of this monthly low, GBPJPY has had a very strong bounce to the upside. And this is the monthly candle on GBPJPY. Therefore, it's currently approaching the monthly resistance, and it's almost at the end of the month. What I think that any drop pullback can give GBPJPY further potential move to the upside. If we drop to the weekly chart, we can see that after previous weekly bullish candle, this week from this support also there is a bounce to the upside on GJ. Therefore, what we can see, the price currently approaching this resistance line, and we could see that GBPJPY is moving back further, potentially even to this weekly 20 EMA zone. If we drop down to the daily chart to see a bit more clearer picture, we can see that as expected, GBPJPY after these two waves, we have seen deeper pullback, and it is trying to create a new higher high. Currently, today's candle after initial pullback again moving back to the upside. There is a long wick at the top, previous daily candle, so therefore we can expect GBPJPY to move back up to the resistance level. And as you can see, this is a very important resistance, which is high liquidity zone. As this market is bouncing, we could see that GJ going up to fill that zone and fill that imbalance, and it might even could break further. As you can see, we see there is a reversal here, and we might see this is a local trend continuation to the upside to break this swing low here, pardon me, swing high, which is a very important liquidity zone of this downtrend. If we drop down to the intraday perspective, here we can see that this is a local bullish move. There was a channel breakout, and again liquidity gap after this consolidation, creating series of higher low. It's again maintaining its uptrending market structure. So this is where I will be waiting for lower time frame confirmation for a potential bullish trading opportunity. As soon as we will find that, we'll be looking to go along with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also don't hesitate to join the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video in the description area. With that being said, thank you, and I'll see you soon again another analysis.